Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Ally Bank application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device, and then tap on the search box and simply type in Ally Bank and start your search. Once you find the Ally Bank application on your device, go ahead and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you will find the install button. Go ahead and tap on the install button and wait for a while until the application is downloaded and installed. Once the application is installed, you will see the open button. So go ahead and tap on it. And now you can start logging into your account or signing up and creating a new account to start using the Ally Bank application right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download the Ally Bank application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.